After the clocks, the important topic we have, that is calendar. Now, calendar क्या होता है? Please understand that in a calendar, when we talk about a normal calendar year, an ordinary one has 365 days. If I divide it by 7, that is to find out the number of weeks, I get 52 weeks and 1 day. Now we have nothing to do with the weeks. My only task is to do with the extra days, which we call odd days also. Now in leap years, we have 366 days. The extra days are plus 2, that is 29th of February also gets added. Now, which is a leap year? I believe you guys must be aware about. A leap year is one which gets divided by 4. A leap century year is one which gets divided by 400. Rest all are no leap years. That's what exactly they are saying here also. That means the 400, 800, 1200, 1600, all are leap years. 2000 leap years, 100 will not be leap year because century year है. Century year मतलब last में 2 बार 0 आता है. That is century. Multiple of 100. It is a century year. So this has to be divided by 400 to become being a leap year. Now we follow Gregorian calendar system, which says that 1st January year 1, that is Monday. Assume किया जाता है. Now how do you count the number of days? Again, we just have to add them. If we talk about first 100 years, they have 5 odd days. If we talk about total 200 years, they have 3 odd days. 301, 400, 0. Now, why this is 5, 3, 1 and 0? Now there's a science behind it. We have heard always, we have learned that Earth completes a circle around Sun in 365 days. Then when we just been grown up, we were told it is not 365, it is 365 and 1 by 4 days. To cover up this 1 by 4, we had a leap year after every 4 years. So 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, that became 1. So we have leap year. When we again grown up a bit more, then we have been told that it is not 1 by 4 exactly. That is 365 days, 5 hours, 48 minutes, and certain seconds. Now, due to this, after every 100 years, we lose 1 day. That is why we do not count 100 as a leap year, 200 as a leap year. They are non-leap year. But again, some part of this is left, approximately 6 hours. Now, after 100 years, 100, 100, 100, that becomes again 1 day. And that is why we complete after 400 years, that becomes 1 day. So we add again, and that is why it is 100 years, 5 extra days, 200 years, 3 extra days, 300 years, 1 extra day. So 5 plus 5, 10, divided by 7, 3 remainder. 3 plus 7, 3 plus 5, 8, 1 remainder. 1 plus 5, 6, and this 1 extra day is 7. When I divide by 7 to make it weeks and extra days, the extra day is 0. So anything which is a multiple of 100, 5 extra day, 200, 3 days, 300, 1 day, and 400, 0 days extra. Now, how to use this thing? So, Akshat, the pic which you sent, that we don't do. We do it in this way. This is easier for us. The logic is also clear. I think this logic I explained just to make you understand why there was a 1 day more in extra days.
Yes, sir, because of these 5 hours, 48 minutes.
Absolutely right. You got it. Great. Now, let's see an example. Now, day 1 we take Monday, day 2 Tuesday, and so on. So whatever number we have from 1 to 7, 1 is Monday, 2 is Tuesday, 3 Wednesday, 4 Thursday, 5 Friday, 6 Saturday, and 7 is Sunday. Now let's see the first question. They ask, what is the day of 1st January 5003? So first of all, we know in every 400 years we have 0 extra days. So we find out the multiple of 400, which will take us to 5003. That is 400 into 12. That is 4800 years. We got 0 extra days. Now, between 5003 and 4800, we have 2 centuries, that is 200 years more. In these 200 years more, we have plus 5 in 100 and plus 3 in 200 days. So it's 3 extra days. Now 5000 years are done. Now 2 years has been completed. 2 years, 1 extra day in 1 year, the 2 extra days in 2 years. There is no leap years yet because 5001 and 5002 are not leap years. Now 5003 started 1st January, 5003, 1 day extra for that. The total comes out to be 6. 6 means Saturday. That is my answer. Look at this carefully, understand it. On the same basis, we can find out the answer to example number 8 also now. It says, what day of the week is 10th March 1990? Just try it once, if you guys can. Let's find it out. I'll show it. देखो सबसे पहले मुझे जाना है 10th March 1990 तक. So I'll try to find out how will I reach here. So they have very beautifully they have mentioned it here. 10th March 1990 जाने के लिए you need 1600, 400 का multiple plus 3 centuries plus 89 years completed from 1st January 1990 to 10th March 1990 you have to go. तो 1600 years में कितने लीप डेज होंगे? 0. सॉरी एक्स्ट्रा डेज 0 होंगे. 300 में होंगे 1. 89 years में होंगे 89, बट इसमें लीप ईयर्स भी आएंगे. तो लीप ईयर्स आएंगे डिवाइड बाय 4 करके 22. नाउ जनवरी के महीने में 1990 31 डेज होते हैं. नाउ 31 डेज को अगर आप डिवाइड कर दो 7 से, द रिमाइंडर यू गेट इज 3 because we need remainder, we don't need perfect weeks. 21 तो नहीं है. That is what I am saying. Remainder. क्वेश्चन नहीं कह रहा हूँ, रिमाइंडर कह रहा हूँ. So 31 divided by 7, the remainder gets 3. तो जनवरी में हो गए 3 days. February लीप ईयर नहीं है तो 28 days होते हैं. 28 divided by 7, remainder is 0. मार्च में 10 तक जाना है. So 10 divided by 7, remainder is 3. That will give me the answer. 1 plus 89, 90. 90 plus 22, 112. 112 plus 3, 115 and 118. Now divided by 7, the remainder you get 7 into 1, 7, 48, 7 into 6, 42, plus 6 remainder. So remainder is 6, 6 means Saturday. That is your answer. Simple फंडा. कोई याद नहीं कुछ किया, सिंपल अपने बेसिक से आंसर निकालते हैं. Are we clear on the 8th example now? कबीर क्लियर है? 1600 या 400 का मल्टीपल होता है. तो 400 के जितने मल्टीपल्स होंगे हम क्यों लेते हैं? क्योंकि उसमें 0 डेज एक्स्ट्रा होता है. 100 ईयर से 5 दिन एक्स्ट्रा है, 200 में 3 और 300 में 1 डे एक्स्ट्रा. तो हमने 300 ईयर्स का 1 डे एक्स्ट्रा लिख दिया. 89 ईयर्स में 89 डेज एक्स्ट्रा होंगे, प्लस 89 ईयर्स में लीप ईयर्स में आएंगे तो प्लस 22 वो भी लेना पड़ेगा. फिर जनवरी में 3, फरवरी में 0, मार्च में 3 दिन. विल गेट द आंसर. टोटल ऐड के आंसर आपको. ठीक है. लुक एट द नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल नंबर 9. नाउ एग्जांपल नंबर 9 में रेफरेंस दिया हुआ है एक डेट के साथ. 5th January 1991 वाज अ सैटरडे. आपको जाना है 15 सितंबर 1991. तो सेम ईयर है, सिर्फ मंथ्स को जंप करना है. तो जनवरी के अंदर हाउ मेनी डेज यू आर लेफ्ट विद? यू आर लेफ्ट विद 26 days. If I divide it by 7, the remainder is 5. So January 5, February 91 is not a leap year, 0. March 31 days 3, April 20 days 30 days 2, May 31 days 3 extra, June 30 days 2 days extra, July 31 days 3 extra, August 31 days 3 extra. Now September I have to go till 15 September. 15 divided by 7, remainder is 1. Now add all of them. 5 plus 3 8 plus 2 10, 10 3 13, 2 15, 3 18, 3 21 plus 1 22. 22 divide 7, remainder comes out to be 1. Now this 1 we have to add it to Saturday. Now Saturday plus 1, that is Sunday. So that is the answer which they have asked. Clear? Another question where they have changed the year also. From 1997, they have gone to 2004. Now, the day is 17th October 1997. You have to go to 5th December 2004. First of all, from 17th October, go to 17th October, same date in 2004. Now, 97 to 2004, there are 7 extra days. How many leap years we get? 2000 and 2004 also. Because February 29th, 2004 has gone. Now, they are the years. 7 plus 2, 9. Now, for the months, October, 14 days are left. 14 divided by 7, no remainder. November, 30 days. Divide by 7, 2 remainder. December, you have to go to 5th. Take it 5. So you got 7 plus 2, 9 plus 2, 11 plus 5, 16. 16 divide 7, you got remainder as 2. Now add Tuesday plus 2. The answer is Thursday. That is the answer here. ठीक है, बहुत इजी टॉपिक है, मजेदार है. एक और क्वेश्चन बहुत पेट है इनका. Now, which year after 2001 will have the same calendar as that of 2001? Now, 2001 के बाद next calendar का मतलब ये है कि 1 February 2001 को जो डे था वही डे दोबारा कौन से ईयर में आएगा, और सारे साल में उसी डेट पे वही डे आना चाहिए. Now, 2001 is not a leap year, मतलब मेरा आंसर लीप ईयर नहीं होना चाहिए पहली बात. And why? And when the numbers will be 7, then I can say complete 1 week has been done. And then the year which will be after that, it will give me the same calendar. So 2001, 1 day extra, 2002, 1 day extra, 2003, 1 day extra, 2004, leap year, 2 days extra. 2005, 1 day extra, 2006, 1 day extra. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's a multiple of 7. The next year is 2007. That is the answer I have. Okay? So this way you'll find it out. Either the answer will be after adding plus 6 or it will be adding after plus 11. This is the shortcut you can remember. If it is just after the leap year, then it is plus 6. And if it is just before the leap year, the answer is going to be plus 11. And also in the same way, if it is after 2 years or before 2 years, then also it's 11. If it's leap year, it's going to be after 28 years. Okay? Now in these 11 years, we should have 3 leap days, extra days. That means 6 years, there should be 1 leap year. That also you can make a guess like. The last example, calculate the number of odd days from 8 December 2006 to 1st January 2008. Now, it says days between. It should not be between, it should be from. Then only the answer will match, because between में तो 8 December calculate ही नहीं करेंगे, इन्होंने calculate किया हुआ. So, and you have 23 days. If I talk about from 8 December, so you have 24 days. Between we have 23 days. So they have taken it 24 days because their question is from. So 24 days, that means 3 days extra. 2007, 1 day extra. And 2008, 1st January, 1 day more. So 1 plus 3, 4 plus 1, 5. That means 5 more days. But if they say between, in between, you don't count 8 December and 1st January. That means the answer going to be 23 days of December means plus 2, and 2007 plus 1. Between means 1st January also will not come. The answer going to be plus 3 in that case. So remember, whether it's between or from, just pay attention towards that. There is a mistake in printing, I believe. That is why the answer is missed out. Okay? Can we do the clock questions and the calendar as well now? कर सकते हैं? Give me a poll on this, please. Akshat, now you may try the clock question which you were asking
Okay, sir.
as a doubt. Okay.
See
Try for the next
because
10 minutes. I'm here with you. Take the practice tests and start doing it, please.